Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here early on this Friday morning, and it's a chilly start to our morning, maybe a little patchy frost out there in northern Nebraska. There is a frost advisory that is in effect until 9 o'clock this morning. I think your best bet for a little bit of frost development over the last couple of hours was right here in these northern Nebraska counties here, where it did get down to around 32 to 34 degrees. But get used to more of these kind of maps the next couple of mornings, because we're going to have a stretch of about 3 or 4 days with mornings down in the 30s, maybe some 20s Sunday morning up north. So some chilly mornings are ahead of us here. Now today, though, we get some improvement. We have some early clouds out west. Otherwise, everybody now getting back to sunny skies, and we'll see plenty of sun today. High pressure building in later on today, and what's going to happen is as that high pressure gets closer to us, winds will start to lighten up a bit. Your winds might still be a bit brisk later today in eastern Nebraska, but they'll be much lighter out towards the west. Heading into tonight, clear skies initially will be replaced by some increasing clouds after midnight. Might start to see a few showers move into the west after midnight as well. Those showers will have a tough time getting all the way to the Tri-Cities for tomorrow morning. I'll go with maybe a 20% chance for Kearney here, but later in the days when we'll have a better chance of rain and isolated thunderstorms as a front comes through here. I'm going to back this up just a few hours here. Southerly and southwesterly winds will be a little bit on the strong side at 20, maybe 25 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. So winds will be a bit brisk, trying to help warm things up at least a little bit. Meanwhile, once that front comes through up north, your winds are going to start to turn northwesterly, and those are going to get strong. Again, showers and thunderstorms start to move in later in the afternoon into the early evening hours. Chances greater in the northern and eastern parts of Nebraska. Behind that front, here come those stronger winds. Showers clearing out after midnight, and that's going to take us into a chilly Sunday morning. Once these winds start to die down, that's probably our coldest morning of the forecast. We'll show you those lows in just a bit. So highs today and later this afternoon getting into the upper 50s and lower 60s. About 10 degrees below average for this time of the year, but with plenty of sun. Not terrible. A little breezy at times, especially this morning though, but later on today will be a little bit better. Tonight, if we see frost, eastern Nebraska would be the best chance for that, where skies will remain clear the longest. We'll see temperatures down into the mid-30s there. Upper 30s in the Tri-Cities out west, maybe even some places not getting below 40. Saturday, ahead of that front, we do get those temperatures up into the low and mid-60s. That front comes through. It's going to be a little cooler up north here. We'll see that colder air start to make its way southward behind that front Saturday night. So Saturday night, before the sun goes down, bring in, if you have any potted plants, you've planted your gardens already, might not be a bad idea to bring those plants into the garage, or maybe cover up the gardens and things like that, because we have temperatures down there near and below freezing in many locations Sunday morning. It'll be down in the upper 20s and lower 30s. So this is likely to be our coldest morning. So this is just kind of your advanced warning to take care of any plants, anything like that you want to keep that you don't want to lose in any kind of freezing temperatures, because we will be looking at possibly near or sub-freezing temperatures in a large part of the local 4 viewing area. Sunday is going to be kind of a cooler day overall. Highs only in the 50s to near 60 degrees on Sunday. Partly to mostly sunny skies expected. A bit of a brisk wind out of the northwest as well during your day on Sunday. The rest of your forecast here's kind of summing up those 3 days here. Like I said, coldest morning will be Sunday. Now as we get into early next week, more clouds coming in Sunday night and a Monday morning. Small chance of rain, better chances still look to be out to our west. More than likely it's going to be dry on Monday. Just a lot of cloud cover around. And because of the clouds can actually prevent frost from developing a bit. So even though it's going to be down in the mid-30s, I think frost won't be as big of a concern on Monday morning. But it's going to be a chilly day on Monday. It's not going to be real pleasant Monday or Tuesday. A slightly better chance of rain as we get towards Monday night, especially late night and into Tuesday. But even then, I'm only going to go with about a 30% chance of rain showers, and mostly the light rain, so not a lot of rain expected. But still kind of a chilly day on Tuesday. Better chances of rain actually come in Tuesday night into Wednesday, but that's actually as a warm front moves through. So we don't drop off much Tuesday night, only getting down to the lower 40s. And then Wednesday, a little warmer, close to 60 degrees, but a decent chance of rain and isolated thunderstorms. We're going to keep that chance going Wednesday night, possibly into Thursday. Some models actually have us clearing out on Thursday, others keeping it around. So we'll go with mid-60s right now here. It does look like long range beyond Thursday, we do start to get some better weather ahead of us here. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the chances of rain do get a little bit lower, and we start to get some warmer temperatures to return to our area. And in fact, overall, as you look long range, I've been kind of looking at the long range trends. The second half of the month of May overall looks like it's going to be a warmer half of the month of May. We won't have to worry about the near or sub-freezing temperatures at night, and we may start to get into more of a pattern where we may see some occasional severe thunderstorm activity. We haven't seen a lot yet, but maybe conditions get a little more favorable as we start to get some warmer temperatures, more instability down the road later on in the month here. So that is your forecast. Like I said, this is the last time I'll talk to you until next Monday, so you've kind of your advanced warning on what you can expect for those nighttime lows if you are concerned about vegetation here in the coming days ahead. Again, the worst chance, the best chance, I guess, of seeing those coldest temperatures will be Sunday morning, but really the next couple of mornings here, you're going to have to watch that if you have any vegetation concerns. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with you on Monday morning. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Have a good weekend. Bye.